So our next partner product, Reolink, solar powered security, so you don't need to wire things up, and it's 4K capable. To not have to worry about everything being powered up, the sun is always available. Can't cut the power in the sun. You have your mounting point on the back. It looks like a speaker on the bottom. Micro SD card slot. There's a USB slot as well, but they have gaskets on them. Some degree of weather resistance. Motion sensing light as well. That's deterrent number one. It's like, hey, you're being watched. Fantastic. And then each one of these bad boys is going to be accompanied by a Reolink solar panel. That is a thin little solar panel. Look at that guy. Cool. This is the Go PT Ultra 4K 8 megapixel plus 4G cellular battery camera. Now this one is definitely the smallest of the bunch. Many of these have their own micro SD expansion. So you might think because you're solar powered that you need to take a dip in resolution, but that's not the case here with the Reolink product. You're still getting 4K resolution and a clear image. Plus, you've got human, vehicle, and animal detection